Hi, I'm Doug Shoebridge, a Virginia Beach Master Gardener and Tree Steward volunteer. I'm here with a group of other Tree Steward volunteers, and we're going to demonstrate the proper way to plant trees and shrubs. First, make sure the tree or shrub will fit the site. Consider the plant's mature height and width. This is especially important if there are overhead utility lines or nearby structures. Remember to call Miss Utility to mark the location of any underground lines before you dig. If you are planting in a mulched landscape bed, rake the mulch out of the way to expose the soil. The planting hole should be twice as wide as and the same depth as the plant's root ball. This gives the new roots room to grow and establish quickly. Put the soil removed from the planting hole into a bucket. This prevents the soil from getting mixed into the mulch, which promotes weeds. If there is no mulch, then the removed soil can be placed beside the planting hole. Remove the root ball from the container and inspect it. When roots touch the side of the container, they can grow sideways in a circular pattern. These roots should be cut or they will eventually strangle the plant as it grows. Sometimes a root ball is root bound. This means the roots have filled up the container or are in a dense tangled mess. The best way to deal with a root bound root ball is to cut about ½ inch off the sides, making the root ball square. The bottom may also need to be cut off. This stimulates new growth so the plant establishes quickly. Next, place the root ball in the hole. Make sure that the top of the root ball is even with the ground level. If the root ball is too low, remove it and add some soil back in the hole until the root ball is at the correct level. Fill the hole around the root ball with the excavated soil. Make sure to break up large clumps of soil and remove any big rocks and clumps of grass or weeds. Lightly tamp down the loose soil by stepping on it to hold the root ball in place and remove any air pockets. Rake the mulch back around the plant, creating a donut. If there is no existing mulch, then some will need to be added. The most common organic mulches include pine straw, pine bark nuggets, shredded hardwood, and chopped up leaves. Mulch is very important because it prevents weeds, moderates the soil's temperature, and keeps the root ball moist so new roots grow quickly. Mulch should be 2 to 3 inches deep and cover the entire root ball area. It should not be piled up against the plant trunk because that creates moisture, which attracts insects and diseases. The donut shape allows water to soak in instead of running off. Newly planted trees and shrubs should be watered 1 to 2 times a week, if possible, until established. For more information on planting trees and shrubs, visit Virginia Cooperative Extension's website.
Thank you for watching and happy planting.